how to work and how to deal with those cases, triaging and all, and shifting all the patients and all. We can be more prepared in case such a situation comes.
Gathering here and doing a mock exercise. The motive behind this conducting a mock exercise was to get familiar with the different types of situations and how we can rescue ourselves and what are the line departments, and trying to establish coordination along with line departments. So basically when such incident happen, there should be a smooth flow of everything and there should be no chaotic. I hope that this mock what we have conducted would be very helpful, and I also request all of you, the young students who are here, not only to observe it but also try to spread this awareness among your parents or the old age people who are there in your house or near vicinity. So in some or the other manner it is going to help you.
I'm Rupesh Parvatkar, Civil Defence Warden for Marmagaon District. My responsibility to manage South and North for the area for the Civil Defence. And the Civil Defence plays a major role during the war situation, the emergency situations. And here we are here for a special design program for the Civil Defence evacuations, and we have helped the fire forces and the emergency services to evacuate the people and the injured patients, I can say, and the major role we play to evacuate to save the people's life. This is what we call as Civil Defence Corps, Nagarik Suraksha. That's our kartavya and I can say it's our responsibility.
Today we have simulated an airstrike attack at Margaon railway station, which resulted in severe casualties and fire hazard. Overall, total 7 line agencies had reported and they conducted this rescue operation. Out of this civil defense, around 40 personnel were reported. Electricity, fire and emergency, police, home guards, NCC, KRCL and 15 members of medicals were deployed. Total, there were 40 casualties, out of which 15 were trapped, and now they have been safely rescued to the nearby rescue center. Out of 40, 2 were severely injured, and now they have been shifted to South Goa District Hospital for the further medical assistance. And 8 are minor injury. They were having minor injury, so they are being treated at the nearest relief camp. We also had a fire hazard, and the fire tender along with the fire personnel, they participated and they successfully diffused the fire incident.